Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Bubba Shears is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools in any kitchen, designed to tackle a wide array of cutting tasks with unparalleled ease and precision, from deboning poultry and scaling fish to snipping herbs and opening stubborn packages, making them a true game changer for home cooks and culinary enthusiasts alike who demand efficiency and reliability in their everyday food preparation. Number 5. Bubba Lithium-Ion Cordless Electric Fillet Knife. Introducing the Bubba Lithium-Ion Cordless Electric Fillet Knife. Experience unparalleled control and precision with its non-slip grip and ergonomic trigger design. It features 4 T-nitride-coated stainless steel blades for durability and non-stick performance. The dual rivet design ensures a secure and long-lasting cut. The non-slip grip handle provides outstanding security, while the trigger guard offers added safety. Its lightweight design at just 1.11 pounds makes it comfortable to use. Blades are easily removable for cleaning and store neatly in the included zippered case. An LED indicator on the handle lets you know the battery life at a glance. This cordless knife is perfect for all your fishing trips. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation and the power to tackle any filleting task with ease. Rest assured with Bubba's commitment to quality. This product comes with a limited 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This cordless electric fillet knife offers ultimate control with its non-slip grip and trigger guard. The LED battery indicator ensures you're always ready. If you're a fisherman who values convenience and a secure grip, this is a solid choice for your tackle box. What people say. The non-slip grip makes it very safe to handle, and the blade guard adds extra protection. It fillets quickly and smoothly, making fish prep easy and worry-free. Comes with 2 batteries. Has the longer 9-inch blades. There are 4 blades included, and in different styles to choose from. The 9-inch flex is what I use to fillet and it works like a dream. I have cleaned 43 bluegills and red ears, 8 to 9-inch fish, on 1 battery and still have juice left over. Comes with 4 interchangeable blades of different sizes, 2 batteries, a charger, instructions, Bubba decal and case. Everything appears to be quality built. The handle has a nice feel with good grip, also comes with a safety switch to prevent unintentional operations. Fairly quiet when operating, well-balanced feel and not too heavy. Number 4. Bubba Pro Series Lithium-Ion Electric Fillet Knife. Introducing the Bubba Pro Series, the ultimate electric fillet knife designed for serious anglers. Experience unparalleled performance and control with its advanced features. Its ergonomic non-slip grip handle ensures outstanding security, giving you ultimate control. The trigger guard adds an extra layer of safety for confident use. Crafted with durable aluminum alloy housing and a heavy-duty drive system, this knife is built for optimal output. The dual rivet, tin stainless steel-coated blades are designed for longevity and performance. Enjoy the convenience of easily removable blades and an LED battery life indicator on the handle. Always be ready with a fully charged and functional tool. Featuring a brushless motor, it delivers increased power and torque for extended use. This electric fillet knife offers the longest-lasting and most powerful performance available. With an 8.5-inch handle and weighing just 1.11 pounds, it offers a perfect balance of size and power. This tool is designed for efficiency and ease of handling. What we like. Experience enhanced power and torque with its brushless motor and durable aluminum alloy housing. This model is built for demanding use and longevity. If you need a powerful, long-lasting electric fillet knife for frequent or tough filleting jobs, this Pro Series is designed for you. What people say. The Bubba Cordless Pro version with 4 blades is a great tool for filleting fish, and can even make one look like a pro. The Bubba Pro Series knife saved half the time it would normally take to fillet fish, and the fillets have more meat. Great grip, fits nicely in my hand. Makes cleaning crappie a lot easier, faster, and more enjoyable. Fantastic quality and blades are extremely sharp. Number 3. Bubba Multiflex Interchangeable Blade Kit. Introducing the Bubba Multiflex Interchangeable Blade Kit, designed for ultimate versatility in your fishing tasks. It features a comfortable, non-slip grip handle for secure handling. This kit includes durable, high-carbon, full-tang stainless steel blades. They are T-nitride coated for enhanced performance and longevity. Experience reliable use with its patented non-slip grip handle, ensuring a secure hold even when wet. Safety guards are included for your protection. Switch between 4 different full-tang blades effortlessly. Choose from 8 Ultra Flex, 7 Tapered Flex, 9 Stiff, and 9 Serrated blades to match any cutting need. This comprehensive kit comes with everything you need, including the blades and a convenient case for storage and transport. It's the perfect companion for any fishing trip. Rest assured with a limited 1-year warranty provided by Bubba. For any assistance, please reach out to our customer service team. What we like. Adapt to any filleting task with its versatile set of interchangeable blades, including flex and stiff options. The reliable non-slip grip ensures safety and control. If you appreciate flexibility and want one tool to handle various fish sizes and types, this interchangeable blade kit is incredibly practical. What people say. These shears are incredibly sharp and cut through bone with ease. The ergonomic handle design makes them comfortable to hold and use for extended periods. They are made of high-quality stainless steel, which means they won't rust or corrode. Number 2. Bubba Small Shears Fishing Tool. Introducing the Bubba Small Shears, your new essential fishing companion. Designed for precision and durability, these shears make every cut effortless. Experience the difference with our micro-serrated blades. They ensure clean, precise cuts on all types of fishing line, from monofilament to braided. Constructed with a durable titanium nitride coating and a full-tang design, these shears are built to withstand the toughest conditions. They offer reliable performance season after season. More than just shears, this tool is incredibly versatile. It features a split-shot crimp tool, a convenient bottle opener, and a lanyard hole for easy access. Enjoy a secure and comfortable grip thanks to the iconic non-slip handles. This ensures maximum control, even when your hands are wet. Measuring just right for your tackle box, these small shears are always ready for your next fishing adventure. They are the perfect blend of size and functionality. What we like. These fishing shears feature micro-serrated blades for precise cutting of lines and a built-in split-shot crimp tool. They are designed for convenience and durability. If you're looking for a compact, multifunctional tool to handle line cutting and other small tasks on the boat, these shears are a great addition. What people say. Open them up and cut 20 #braid like butter. 30 #mono like butter. Cable ties like butter. They are very sharp and he uses them on the boat, in his shop and just about anywhere needed for sharp blades are necessary. These scissors kick a word. I've used them for saltwater fishing for 2 months. They still easily cut braid and are rust-free. Number 1. Bubba Hook Extractor T-Handle. Introducing the Bubba Hook Extractor T-Handle, designed for anglers who demand precision and ease. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling for all your fishing needs. With its slim profile and ergonomic T-handle, this tool allows for precise movements even in tight spaces. It's the perfect companion for any fishing trip, ensuring you can easily handle any situation. The convenient spring-loaded mechanism allows for quick and easy one-handed use. This means you can keep your other hand free for other tasks, making your fishing experience more efficient. Constructed with premium, corrosion-resistant forged steel, it's built to deliver long-lasting performance and superior strength. You can rely on its durability, trip after trip. Measuring 8 inches overall, with a 4-inch handle and a 4-inch extractor length, it's designed for optimal performance. This tool is guaranteed to be a reliable part of your fishing gear. We stand by the quality of our product. This hook extractor is covered by a limited lifetime warranty, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. What we like. This hook extractor boasts an ergonomic T-handle and a spring-loaded mechanism for easy one-handed operation. Constructed from durable, corrosion-resistant steel, it's built to last. If you often find yourself needing to remove hooks quickly and safely, especially in tight spots, this tool offers efficiency and reliability. What people say. It handles almost any hook and will pull the hook out of the fish no matter how deep it is. Works great in salt water. As long as you rinse it off every time, it stays smooth. I bought one on these based on reviews. I bought 3 more because they work and are very durable. I have them on my boats and fishing backpacks. I have used on freshwater and saltwater fish. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.